Back in the 90s, the seeds of profound vision were sown and we were called Go Green. We nurture nature became our philosophy. Go Green, located at the foothills of Karnala Bird Sanctuary near Mumbai-Goa Highway at Tara Panvel, is India's first ISO 9001-2015 nursery, offering everything in gardening under one roof. Go Green Nursery has the soul of Mother Nature and appearance of a lush landscape labeled with the respective botanical and local names, types, variety, vital information and instructions. Go Green is equipped with a professional team of over 200 people.
हरियाली है हमारा धर्म, धरती के चरण में हमारे कर्म, पालन किया पूर्वारंभ।
Go Green, unlike other nurseries, functions like a corporate entity with state-of-the-art infrastructure, expert team, management systems, and reporting protocols, all in place, ensuring utmost customer satisfaction. We stringently comply with all necessary labor laws, provisions, and norms. We possess over 20 years of expertise in landscaping and garden maintenance. We have transformed over 2 crore square feet of barren lands into green landmarks. We are shortlisted as one of the 10 best landscaping service providers by Silicon India. Go Green Panvel is always happening and bustling with latest introduction and innovations. The creation of various landscaping elements at our nursery helps our clients to visualize various landscaping possibilities at their respective sites and serves as demonstration models. To overcome the universal problems of water crisis, we develop landscape concepts that require very less maintenance and water resource. Our strategies like adopting new age irrigation techniques, suggesting dry landscapes, giving more importance to plant selection helps us to achieve our objective of utilizing less natural resources. Our actual work starts after completing the project, that is, maintenance of the landscape. We extend our expertise by offering garden maintenance contract and consultancy services. Over the years, we have partnered with some of the best brands, hospitality groups, corporate entities and realtors for creating spectacular green landmarks. We have successfully transplanted over 550 trees, which have been over 50 years old, with a survival rate of more than 70%. Go Green offers its expertise for the range of services. Go Green is a pioneer in introducing some of the finest innovative green concepts in India. We offer consultancy to adopt sustainable methods to our clients for solar panels, rainwater harvesting, vermicomposting, and waste management. We are often felicitated when our clients receive awards and recognitions from renowned authorities and government bodies. We have always covered the distance to reach our nature lovers. We are the first to set up outlets in prominent malls and avenues across Maharashtra. Go Green is a call to join the Green Initiative, create a community of nature lovers, and propagate green miles. It is because of our clear vision, profound expertise, and nature-driven initiatives we are lovingly called as the universe of nature. Go Green, we nurture nature.